Hello once again, everybody. This is Rich with High Percent Trading, and today I'm going to show you how to trade the daily trend, and this will be using the Oracle Trader signals. And we're going to look at Friday, which is a very good day in the equities, and then again here on Monday, the following day after the weekend. So just a brief recap here. I'm using the Oracle indicator. And the Oracle indicator, as a lot of you know, goes on your chart. It'll give you the projected daily trend for the day. This is Friday, and our projected daily trend was up on Friday. It gives us a projected buy area for the day and a projected sell area for the day. And then in addition to that, enables us to auto trade or manually trade the signals. So what I've done, I'm going to show a way that a lot of the traders trade this, and that is they set their trader to only take those long trade signals that occur because today the daily trend is up. So this particular trader for the day was set to take long trades only. And at the beginning, as long as we're not trading on a breakout, it's only looking to take the number 3 trade. The trader itself has a number 1, number 2, and number 3 trade that each one is independent and can take. And I'm going to show how to be very selective so you can follow 5 or 6 different markets at the same time. And that is just trading trade number 3 setups until such time as we break out and start trading above the projected sell area for the day. So on Friday, coming out of the gate, all of these green arrows are the trade setups that were picked and shown. If you were running this in real time, you would see them in real time. And you can see that we had basically 5 trade signals here. All of them would have resulted in either a nice scalp and or even a nice runner for a number of ticks if you were trading multiples or holding them. This took us to shortly after our pit open. We went through about a half an hour after our pit open. As you remember, on Friday, this was non-farm payroll. That's generally a very good running day. So once we start trading above the projected sell area, then what I like to do is go ahead and also activate my number 2 trader. And the number 2 trader will be designated by blue arrows for longs and reds for short. So I'm going to continue on now. And once we start trading above here significantly like we are now, I like to activate both the number 2 and number 3 traders on here. Now what's important is once we start trading above these levels, when a market breaks its projected sell area for the day or its projected buy area day, generally it's doing that for a reason, and it's doing that because there's economic news that's perhaps affecting it, or a major report, or some event in the world, or it could be somebody in the Federal Reserve talking. Any number of reasons cause these markets to move. You want to take advantage of that. And so once you start to break out, you want to take advantage of the breakout, and there's no saying how far a market can run, especially on a day like Friday, when it was predicted that we would have a very good expanded day. This yellow background has indicated on the indicator, since some of you may have saw it when I first started this, that Friday's day was predicted to be an expanded day, meaning we're going to run through a lot of the areas here. And in fact, we did. So the blue arrows are the number 2 trade setups, and of course the green is number 3. And so as we continue to move up through here, the market was very strong. It was retracing, but not retracing enough to give us the number 3 trades, but the number 2 trades were kicking in quite a bit. And that basically took us to the close on Friday. Very nice big move in the Russell. And again, showing you how to trade with the daily predicted trend, starting out trading the number 3 signal setup, and then if we eventually break through the highs, taking both the number 2 and 3 trades. Now let's take a look at what we did today on Monday. Now this is the Russell from Monday. And again, just like we had on Friday, our daily trend for Monday, our daily predicted trend for Monday was up. And so we're only looking at taking the number 3 trade setups unless and until we break out above our projected sell area for the day, in which case we would then look to activate the number 2s as well. So this was very early on in the session. This is during the European Open. Some traders traded then. The first trade was not a good trade. You know, not every trade works out, right? But the first trade was taken out with about a 10 tick stop. That's normally the size of the band here is 10 ticks. But the second trade, a very nice trade, and we came all the way up to the projected sell area. That brings us to our pit open. Here's our pit open right here. One of the rules of thumb that I like to use is once we have a number 3 trade and we come back up to our sell area, I'll look for a reset, and then I'll look to take a trade when we're at this level or lower, okay? So this is not a trade here. We come down this level or lower. This was our number 3 trade setup, and again, it went back up to our projected high. Same thing on the reset. Not looking to take the trade here, but looking to take the trade here or lower. Again, it came down in here. This resulted in about 15 to 16 ticks on a scalp, but no more. And then we pulled back further right to here. And again, that's a trade setup because this trade entry is lower than this one. So again, a nice trade. Moving up, you can take both a scalp. I like to trade multiples, trade both a scalp and at least one runner. As we moved up again later in the session, we came to our projected sell area again for the day. Notice this is the 3rd time in here. Once, twice, 3 times, but we're not breaking above it. This is holding. And then we started to retrace later in the session, again following the same rules, and that is we got up to our projected sell area, not looking at taking another trade unless and until we come back down to the gold band and touch it, in which case that was your trade entry right here. One more time back up. So you can see that today was not a big range day in the Russell, but the trades were very good. You're very selective. You would enter the trade and get up to this very important, highly accurate projected sell area for the day, and that was it. It just held, unlike Friday when we had the good news and were able to trade through it. And of course, if it were to trade through it significantly, we would see the entries then kicking in on the number 2 trade as well. Now, for the most part, if some of you have been following this, our free trials are coming to an end, but we're making a terrific deal on all of these indicators, plus the Oracle Auto Trader that I'm showing here. If you wish to subscribe and become a member, you can try to copy and paste this link to PayPal, or try to perhaps put it in your browser. If not, you can actually contact me. Here's a contact phone number. I'll take the first 10 calls from callers who call. I don't want to get inundated with calls all day today or this evening, but I will take the first 10 who call because I believe that strongly in this approach. You'll see, if you've been following this day in and day out, the power and the strength of not only the trends, but these projected buy and projected sell levels for the day. So this is $199 a month. It's a membership. For that, you're going to get the Oracle Trader Indicator, the Oracle Trader itself, The APB indicator, which is a great support resistance indicator for managing trades and actually for timing exits and entries. You'll get the Oracle Profit, the Oracle BTS, which colors our bars here, and the Oracle SQ, together with, and I didn't mention this, but a lot of you know that, our live markets analysis room, which meets every day from 6:20 a.m. Pacific time until 8 a.m. Pacific time, 5 days a week, and workshops anywhere from 3 to 5 days a week as well, to go over any questions, topics, to show advanced features. So I think it's a terrific deal. If you come in for the first month, you'll get to look at all 50 of the futures instruments that this trades. Trades the equities, it trades the interest rates, it trades the currencies, the metals, the energies, the grains, the meats and lumber over on the CME if you're interested in that, and the NIBOT commodities as well. I forgot to mention the metals. So over 50 different ones that you can follow. You'll see the power in this. If you're a serious trader, just following one instrument alone is probably worth 10 times the monthly membership. Again, you can contact me at this number, 760-898-1507. I'll take the first 10 calls today or later tonight or in the morning. Okay? So again, thanks for watching. I think you'll see that for less than $5 a day, you're going to get a real serious trading vehicle that will give you the projected trend for the day, extremely accurate buying and selling areas for the day, together with an auto trader that performs extremely well. So thanks for watching. I hope this was beneficial, and I hope to hear from some of you. Have a great day and enjoy your trading. Bye now. Bye-bye.